Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So Onyxcoin is attempting to recover, trading at 0.02299, up 3% in the last 24 hours. With volume increasing 25%, is the state of bullish reversal or will resistance hold? Let's take a look. So heading over to the daily time frame, we can see that Onyxcoin has broken through the descending trend line, signaling potential bullish momentum. Now, taking a look at the price here, it is now retesting our 20 moving average. We have been rejected from this line dated back on February 9th. So it is a strong area of resistance, and the previous candlestick here shows a really big push in terms of the bulls. We can see it by this high wick candlestick, but a lot of selling activity happened in this 24 hours. So it is going to be a test here to see any type of indicators if the bulls are going to be pushing in and reclaiming the 20 moving average around 0.024, because that's going to be a next step forward if we're going to see any type of break recovery here for Onyxcoin. So let's take a look at some of our indicators. We do see the RSI is around 43%. This does show some neutral momentum, while our MACD indicator here does show a slow momentum in terms of the sellers. So possibly the sellers are taking a breather back here and seeing if the bulls are willing to push the price even higher here. So it's a little bit of both. We do ideally want to see volume continue to surge here, especially if we're looking for any type of momentum for a price action. Now, the last three candlesticks here, we do see some smaller bodied candlesticks. So again, we're seeing a lot of, defense in terms of sellers and the buyers as well. Ideally here, in this downwards trend, we could possibly treat this as a reversal candlestick. The downwards trend isn't as big in my opinion, so we may see that consolidation consolidate from an area of resistance at our 50% of 0.025, coming down to an area of support here at our golden ratio, 61% of our fib at 0.019. Now we do know it's kind of a seller's market here because the price is below our moving averages. Again, in this bear market, we do see the CMF indicator well below our zero at minus 0.21. But let's kind of zoom out to take a look on the weekly time frame here. So again, we're seeing that Onyxcoin is trying to stabilize after a pullback from its recent highs here. We can see the struggle for Onyxcoin in trying to find an area of support and for the bulls to really reclaim higher resistance. The RSI was previously from overbought scenarios. We do see a cross below our signal line that does trigger a sell signal here. So we may continue dropping until we're seeing any type of buying opportunities. In the weekly time frame, we do see some more bearish signals. MACD indicator getting small in the histogram, these bars getting lighter in the color here. So they may be taking a step back. In terms of the CMF here, we see it's below our zero. So again, sellers are taking control of the marketplace. These smaller body candlesticks here, these spinning top candlesticks may show some weakness in towards this downtrend. So we may be coming down to the bottom line before we see any type of reversal. In my opinion, the most probable price action here, the volume has increased. If we take a look at Onyxcoin on CoinMarketCap, 26%, equivalent to 165 million. So we do see an increase in the volume. We saw that breakout of our trend line. I'm possibly thinking a retest of 0.025 may occur here if we're seeing a little bit more price action, especially if we do see a daily close above our 20 moving average at 0.023. If bulls can reclaim this moving average, finally break through that strong resistance line dated back on February 10th, easily we're able to reclaim the 0.025. But if we don't see that push above that 20 moving average, we may come back down to 0.019 and basically get back into this descending trend line. Because if we see that this is a high area of confluence, just meaning a high area of interest, bulls and the bears may be taking a look at high attention, or they may be fully attention to the 61%. So eyes are going to be at this number here. If we're going to be able to break above 20, then bulls are going to take full advantage of it and possibly push the price even higher again from the previous high here at 0.029 or the 3 cents marker, or we may see bears taking the price back to 0.019 before we see any price action. But let me know what you guys kind of think down below. I know on Bitcoin, I saw in the daily time frame a death cross scenario, but that was in the last 24 hours where I saw those two moving averages kind of converge. That's definitely going to play a huge part here for Onyxcoin to really push through high barriers of resistance. If we do see a rejection and we see that death cross for Bitcoin, then price may come down closer to that 1 cent here until we see any price immediate action. But let me know what you guys think, what your thoughts are down below. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.